What's up guys, it's Jeremy here and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Guys, today's video, I was so inspired last night because I was just like watching all these type of videos and I was like, why not do it? So for today's video, I'm gonna be writing a song in 15 minutes. I never really done this before because when I write songs, it's usually like in increments. Like I don't finish it in one setting, but sometimes I do, but only when I'm in my feels and I'm feeling it. So like I would create it in like an hour, but never 15 minutes. So this is gonna be really exciting. So depending on how things go, I'm probably just gonna be using my uke or like my guitar over there. I don't really know. Just a disclaimer, I'm nowhere like a music production person. Like I don't know how to do all those things, so I'm just gonna be doing like, you know, my generic uke or my guitar and just my voice because I don't know how to do those things. I wish I do, that would be amazing, but you know what, we're low budget today, so we're just gonna have to deal with that, but we'll make it good. Hopefully. If you guys like this video idea, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. It really does help me out a lot. And if you're new to my channel, go subscribe because I do make videos every Monday and Friday. And comment down below if you yourself write songs or you enjoy doing it. I certainly do because I just like writing songs. I got into it like in I guess ever since I was like a little kid, but I never really fully wrote songs until about 2014. So basically lower your expectations because I don't know how this is gonna turn out and I'm gonna have 15 minutes. So I don't know, I really don't know. Alright guys, so without further ado, I have my MacBook right here so I can like write my lyrics. I don't know if you guys can hear the keyboard. You guys can hear that? Okay. And I have my phone here for the timer, so let's set that right now. Alright guys, so 15 minutes. I don't know if you can see that, I don't think you can, but 15 minutes starts now. Okay. The first thing I'm gonna do is chord progression. Okay. I'm just gonna be playing random one. No. Ooh, I like that. And then... No. Okay, actually... There you go! I don't know about this chord. The third chord. But I like the going around thing. I might have to think of a different chord progression, guys. Okay, here you go. I like this better. And then maybe F. And then back to... Oh, there you go. Let's do that. Okay. There you go. Oh my god, I got my chord progression. Okay, I'm gonna write that down. Then, okay. So I'm gonna lyrics. What should I'm looking at? Clouds, trees, clouds, sky. Sky. Okay, I'm just gonna be rambling. Sky. I'm looking at the sky. I don't know if I'll die. No. Okay, sky. Oh, the sky's so blue, but you are too. I'm just gonna be humming. Never wondered what it's like to be up in the sky. Ever wondered what it's like to be in the sky, flying high? Okay, maybe that. Okay. Ever wondered what it's like to be up the sky? What was that again? Ever wondered what it's like to be up the sky, flying high, flying high, flying high. Flying high, flying high, flying high and forgetting, flying high and forgetting the problems. What's another word for that? Flying high and forgetting the things I've tried. Kind of rhymes. Okay. Everyone is like, everyone, bleh. Ever wonder what it's like to be up the sky, flying high and forgetting the things I tried. I don't know if I should just do the I don't know. I can't think of anything else. I have 9 minutes. Oh my god, I'm barely there. Are you serious? Okay, let's make this fast. Everyone is what it's like to be up the sky, flying high and forgetting all the things I tried. Things I tried. Ever wonder what it's like to be with me? Oh, okay. So we're gonna kind of revert it into something else. Ever wondered what it's like to be with me? But we're gonna do like a little change. Ever wonder what it's like to be with me? Ever wonder what it's like to be with me? Probably never wanted to be with me. No. Ever wonder what it's like to be with me? Probably very tiring and moody. You see, every time you see, every time I fly too high up the sky. Every time I fly too high, they always find a way. To go soaring in the sky. No, always find a way to leave me behind. Leave me behind. Leave me behind. They always find a way to leave me behind. Always find a way to leave me behind. That doesn't work. Okay, I have 7 fucking minutes. Oh my god. You always find a way. Leave me lonely. How about that? They always find a way. Leave me lonely. And that would kind of lead to my chorus, maybe? It is. Oh my god, that works. They always find a way. Then ... Perfect. Okay, ... Leave me lonely. And I'm gonna make this like my little chorus. Leave me lonely. And then there's a Perfect. Okay. It's gonna go like this. Ever wonder what it's like to be with me? Probably very tired and moody. You see, every time I fly too high, they always find. Oh my god, that fucking worked! They always find a way. And then I'm just gonna be saying, leave me lonely. Leave me lonely. And then the No. Leave me lonely. Leave me lonely. Leave me lonely. Leave me lonely. That works. Leave me lonely. They always find a way to. Oh my god, that works. Yes, leave me lonely. I'm gonna say leave me lonely. Leave me lonely. Then go back to they always find a way to. There you go. Is that a song? I feel like I'm missing something. I have 5 minutes to spare, but leave me lonely. Oh, there you go. Leave me lonely. Leave me lonely. They always find a way to. I need some sort of key change. Wait, I have 3 minutes. Oh my god. I'm from way to. I just don't I just don't know if I just don't I just don't know. I just don't know if I'm the right one for. If I could try to fly low. Oh, we actually don't know fly low. Ooh, I just don't know if I could try to fly low. That's so weird. I don't know if it goes well, but fuck it. I just don't know if I could try to fly low. No. I have 2 minutes. I need to finish this little stanza. I just don't know if I could just as slow. I just don't know if I could fly just as slow. My mind is covered up and My mind is buried up. I just don't know if I could fly just as slow. Back then when I never got to. Back then when I let myself go. Ooh, there you go. I just don't know if I could fly just as slow. Back then when I let myself go. Oh my god, I have 48 seconds. Let myself go. And I want to connect with the chorus again, but I don't know how. I just don't know if I could fly just as slow. Back then when I let myself go. So they. Back then when I let my, I have 30 seconds. I just don't know if I could fly just as slow. Back then when I let myself go. So just leave me lonely. Okay, I think I'm just gonna end it like that. So it's like, let myself go, because I have 10 seconds. Back then when I let myself go, so just leave me lonely. And they always find a way to, and then end it right there, because my time is up. That was just like perfect timing though. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. So that was honestly so freaking stressful. And I don't even know if it's good. It's a very short song. I don't even know how long it will be, but you know. So I guess I'm just gonna be playing you guys the song, and I'm gonna be adding like some sort of like the harmonization in the background. Okay, this is like my third take of trying to record this song. Hopefully I do it right this time.
Ever wonder what it's like to be up the sky, flying high and forgetting all the things I've tried, things I've tried. Ever wonder what it's like to be with me? Probably very tiring and moody. You see, every time I fly too high, they always find a way. Leave me lonely, leave me lonely, leave me lonely. They always find a way to. I just don't know if I could fly just as slow. Back then when I let myself go. So leave me lonely, leave me lonely, leave me lonely. They always find a way to.
I think that's it. Woo! Oh my god, I did it.